So if you're about to put your house on the market and you only had one thing to do between making your home have curb appeal or improving the backyard, like a nice backyard space, which one would you do? And if you ask me, curb appeal. And here's why. You want the very, very first great impression when they pull up, because that's going to dictate the rest of the showings and the rest of the communication and the talking with that agent or myself during the entire process. So curb appeal, cut the grass, pull the weeds, do mulch, fresh flowers, edge the grass, and then at the front door, paint the door if it needs it, put a little sitting area at the door or like a little seasonal something at the door for an amazing greeting. If they have a Ring doorbell, listen to it on the other end and hope they say, wow, oh my gosh, this home looks amazing. That curb appeal is amazing. Listen to them at work as they come into your house and just talk about how great it is. And then in the backyard, cut the grass, do the things. Don't spend all this money on a new fire pit or something like that. You know, if you were going to be there for a year or something to enjoy that fire pit, then yeah, sure, go ahead and do it. But the best thing you can do is when they pull up and they can say, wow, this person cares about this home, and that's going to dictate the rest of how that showing is going to go. So thank you guys. Matt Williams, eXp Realty. I hope you're well today. Visit me at homesintheham.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.